Hello YouTube, it's William here with GoPro Uppers Trains, and as the title would imply, we've got another unboxing today. Yes, I'm aware my voice sounds absolutely terrible. I'm still coming off the after effects of my second dose of the COVID vaccine, as well as being just sick with something else, separate from receiving the vaccine that I haven't quite recovered from. But as the title implies, this is going to be the third of these that I've had through my hands. This one is also not mine, actually. I'm buying it sort of on contract for a friend of mine. Paid 95 bucks for it originally. Almost there. All right, cool. And so, yeah. Here goes nothing. I was expecting a smaller, longer box, but I guess we'll see if it arrived in one piece or not. That would appear to be the item itself. And there's the other half. Alright, now you guys know me and my friends, and you know what we like, so let's just go ahead and open it up. Let's see when it becomes apparent what we've got here. Oh good, he did actually put bubble wrap in here. So for those of you who are curious, this is going to my friend Varun of Varooning Trains. So you'll probably see some content with it on his channel. And I may even have him come down to my place once he gets his vaccinations all taken care of. His preference, not mine. I'm sure some of you already know exactly what that is. But I'm going to start opening up the tender. Hold on. One moment here. Cool. All right. There we go. For those of you that are in the know, there's only one Rivarossi engine that has the southern tender. I'm sure most of you already know where this is going, but let's get it open and confirm for all of our viewers out there. Here we go. And there she is. Ooh, wow. What we have here is a gorgeous Rivarossi Southern PS4. Number 1401, with all of that lovely superheater detail from the Premier production run that we all know and love. Wow. This thing is in gorgeous shape. Mine is currently resting right down there. This one is staying with me, and this one is going to Varun. He's already paid me for it, so it's as good as his. I've got open layout, so let's see if she runs. I'm gonna set you guys right here. Let's get it on the track. Now, this thing was sold with no guarantee of running condition or otherwise, so we're gonna find out right now. Alrighty, here goes nothing. Oh, she fires right up. Look at that. She is gorgeous. Actually, wait, no, I just realized that the title is that my working title is a lie, because I've actually had 4 of them through my hands if you count the one from my friend Owen. The story of those 4 include Toasty Boy, which is my original PS4, the one that had severe fire damage. That one currently lives with Varun. Oh wow. That is doing quite well. I bet I can make it smoother after a good service though. Anyways, that one is currently living with Varun. That's currently his PS4. We have my friend Owen's PS4 that had some interesting issues. You can see my video of the recap on that one. And then you have my current PS4 right there, that one. And then finally you have Varun's new PS4 sitting right there. So those are the 4 that I've had. I just wanted to share opening this one up with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.